Hello, Darin Martineau here from Master Magic Shop, and in this video I'm going to perform a David Regal effect, which is called the half deal, and this is one of my favorite effects. So this is my version of that. So I show one of the most magical cards in the deck, which is the Ace of Spades, and I'm going to show you what is known as the invisible second deal. Watch, see, it looks like I dealt the top card, right? That was actually the second card. So I'll do that again in case you missed it, all right? Watch, there's the Ace of Spades. I'm going to deal it down. See, it looks like I dealt the top card. That was really the second card. Is that neat? So I'll do that again for you in case you missed it, okay? There's the Ace of Spades. Watch. It's going to deal it down. And that's actually really a second, okay? Now watch. I'll do it again. This time I'm going to do it with the bottom deal. Okay, so it's on top, but if I deal from the bottom, that would actually come to the bottom. See, it'll come to the bottom like this. And see, there it is. The Ace of Spades. Now watch, if I put it second from top like this, right, I can actually make it jump back to the top. It's like an ambitious card. Isn't that crazy? Now watch. I'm going to do what's called the half deal. Okay, the half deal, it looks like this. Watch. I'm going to use this envelope so you can see the half deal. Watch. It's very, very visual. See? Isn't that neat? Look, I actually dealt the card. Now, um, this is actually just if don't put it backwards because it makes a backwards mirror image of the card. So you always want to make sure you get it the correct way, just like that. Okay, and there's the Ace of Spades, just like that. Isn't that a beautiful effect? And that is what we call the half deal. So if you'd like to check that out, check out David Regal's magic. Really incredible.